Okay, let's revisit that other car. Ba, 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 ba. There we go. So, did this car, beauty is perceived. So true. Materials are key. I made notes to myself back then, but this is from, I think, 2006, so 14 years ago. I did this sketch. All right, so let's see if we can do something similar, but perhaps a little better. All right, so what I've done here is just created a silhouette of the car. This is another way you can sketch a car if you're feeling fairly confident, but I have a silhouette of a few lines representing this other car. All right, a couple key features here. Very simple grille. It does have a nice Audi roll to the nose, I would say. And the wheel perspective in the back is like so off, but we've got this nice bubble top. But I don't know that I want to necessarily do a bubble top, so we'll see. All right, sketch two wheels in here. Give the car a little attitude. Let's get our rims in. Most times I do start with the rims and the wheels if I'm sketching your car, but thought I'd show you guys this other way. Just kick things off. All right. And I'm going to lightly sketch a center line in here. All right, now the grille of this car that I had sketched, similar to that other grille, is just very simple, right? We got little wheel flares here. All right. And I'm gonna be respectful as much as I can of my initial surfacing for this vehicle. But I may make a few changes. All right, so we had something like this, and then this kind of wrapped over the front. It definitely has like an old school Audi vibe to it. Right there. Something like that. And now I'll do a dash. A couple shapes here for seats. Back seat. And rear. And the grille, looks like I had 5 LEDs in the headlights. So I'm gonna do all 5 for some reason. Just be respectful of that. My initial design intent. All right, something like that. And superhero themed car, that'd be interesting. Someone suggested animal themes a while back too, and that would also be interesting. All right, so there's the redo, there's the original. I'm missing kind of this grille detail, so I'm going to painstakingly recreate this, but I'm going to use a gray marker to help me out, so we can mark these spots. The gray marker just helps me not stress about getting it wrong. And now I can come in and get these lines or curves. All right, almost done, guys. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Just gonna add a couple details here, but this one's actually cool because I think it does preserve a lot of what I originally did in my sketch without changing it too much. Something like that. Again, there's the original right there. Thanks for hanging on Sketch Day Live. If you have ideas or suggestions for the next show, feel free to drop them. We got cars that are comic book themed as an idea. Doesn't mean I'll go with your idea, by the way, but I do appreciate the suggestions. Always fun to hang out and chill, and hopefully you make the Friday show or Sunday. If you can't make Friday, Friday will be at 9 a.m. Pacific for you early risers and people elsewhere as well. I'm really tempted to render this one in color, but let's see, how are we on time? 1:24. I'll just do, yeah, I'll do some color. Why not? Why not? All right, so I've just kind of mapped out horizon line here. This is a kind of sharp crease in the side, so I want this to appear a little bit lighter as we roll down the side of the vehicle. So that's why I'm doing that. And then on the nose here, we've got a nice round right about there. And let's blend in this corner. On the far side, I'm just going to go a little darker across the hood. Pick it back up down here. I may make this gray, but it's always nice to have that base green just to tie, or base color, just to tie everything together. All right, just like that. I'm not really a car guy, but I love drawing them. They're fun. I think it has more to do with the fact that they are challenging. Very, very challenging. Especially with marker and pen, where you can't necessarily undo what you did. Really hard. Sketch Day Live, thanks for joining. Joining, hanging, all of that good stuff. right, let's get these rims. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you, Lynette. All good. Life happens. Lynette had to bounce for a minute. There's something nice about gray and green. I don't know what it is. But when you have those together, it's just something nice. Okay, I've got yellow, green, 25. Let's see what else I have. I want something close but not too different. I mean, Copics blend very nicely, but this next blend might be kind of pushing it. So we'll see how we go. See how it goes. Maybe just as a secondary. I won't use it as a primary color in the side here because it's a little bit off. And let's hit this again, see if we can help out our blend. Yeah, I don't know how many of you use markers, but I love using markers. Love the challenge. Super fun. Someone was asking me the other day, what do I do with all my old sketches? I'll either sell them to people who want them, or a lot of times I'll just scan them and then store or get rid of them. So I guess I could do giveaways sometimes, but usually it's not after a while. Like I'll store them for a minute before I get rid of stuff. All right, so one more sketch, I think, and I'll be done here. Super fast stream today, I will say. I guess it helps to not have to really think about the thing because it's already kind of defined, meaning I already did it. Just trying to refine a little bit here and there. All right, let's get some white going where we need it. I wish I had my other white pen. This one's a little annoying in that it's just a little bit dry or kind of splotchy sometimes, as you can see. It's taking a little bit to get that juice going. All right. So there's my redo of one of my first car sketches in college. Tried to keep the headlights here. I do need to make those dark on the inside, so I'll do that real quick. But yeah, not bad. Not bad for a redo here. It's what over a decade later of experience gets you. So yeah, I was saying inside this headlight area here, I wanted to make it just dark. You know, something like this. And so on the individual bulbs or whatever, I'll also add just a little shading, like so. And let's see, maybe a little white through here. I do have a TikTok, but I don't use it. I tried to use it for a little bit and I wasn't really getting any traction. So I kind of just left it. But it's there. You can find me. I think it's Sketch a Day. I think. But yeah, you can find me on TikTok. It's been a minute since I've opened the app though, so fair warning, I may not open it or even know what's happening now.